For every life, for every future. What pro-lifetime income can do for you. Imagine this. Every year, guaranteed income no matter what happens in the market. Sa bawat taon, meron kang cash flow na pwede mong gamitin, ipunin o reinvest. This is not just insurance, this is a strategy for success. Here's the thing, everyone wants stability, whether you're planning for your family or running a business. Pro-lifetime income secures your future with guaranteed annual payouts starting on the 6th year of the policy plus lifetime protection. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito for you? Number 1, for business owners, that's Keyman Insurance and more. For business owners, pro-lifetime income becomes your silent business partner. You can utilize the policy as Keyman Insurance para sa iyong top executives, ensuring your business can recover financially in case something unexpected happens. Hindi lang yon, these guaranteed payouts can also act as 13-month pay or annual bonuses for your key people. Imagine, instead of taking those funds out of your profits, you let pro-lifetime income handle it. Mas mababa ang stress, mas mataas ang productivity. Second, for families, lifetime security. Para naman sa mga pamilya, this is your way to secure a guaranteed educational fund for your children or an enjoyable retirement without risking your hard-earned savings. Walang hassle, walang market volatility, and most importantly, walang pangamba. What's in it for you? Guaranteed income, year after year, for life. With options to grow through non-guaranteed dividends and attached riders like total and permanent disability. Plus, you can maximize this plan for total protection. Why do you need it? Because your future shouldn't be left to chance. Whether it's for personal use, business continuity, or securing your family's needs, pro-lifetime income makes sure that for every life and every future, you are covered, no questions asked. Get the peace of mind you deserve and let pro-lifetime income work for you and your business.